Analog and Digital Communication, Class 1, Introduction to Communication System. The word communication arises from the Latin word communicare, which means to share the data. Communication is a basic step for exchanging of information. For example, in day-to-day life, generally, the baby in a cradle communicates with a cry when she needs her mother. The basic definition of a communication system is, see here, communication is the process of establishing connection or link between a two points for information exchange. Next, coming to the parts of the communication system, any system which provides the communication consisting of a three important and basic parts, namely first one sender, second one receiver, third one channel. See here, sender sends the information to the receiver. This receiver receives the information from the sender by using this channel. The best example of a sender is TV transmitting station, radio transmitting station. They transmit the information. Receiver, the receiver receives the information from the sender. The best example of a receiver is a TV sets and radio. They gives the information from the transmitter. Next one, channel. The communication channel is a path through which the signal propagated from transmitter to receiver. This is a channel, may be a wired or wireless. Next one, coming to the elements of the communication system, the basic components of communication systems are information source, input transducer, transmitter, communication channel, receiver, output transducer, and destination. See here the entire black diagram of a communication system. Here, first stage information source, second stage input transducer, third stage transmitter, fourth stage channel, fifth stage receiver, sixth stage output transducer, and the final stage destination. We can use the information source is nothing but a message signal, that is a sound, light, picture in any data is given to the input transducer. These input transducer is produce the electrical signal. These electrical signals is given to the transmitter or sender. These data is given to the channel through receiver. The receiver is gives the output transducer. The output transducer is produce the original message signal here. These original message signal is gives to the destination stage. In a communication system, the noise is arised commonly. The noise is a unwanted signals. First one, information source. As we know that the communication system establishing the connection bridge between the sender and the receiver. To establishing this communication bridge between the sender and the receiver, first we need a information to send. This information is originated in the information source here. Second one, input transducer. If you want to talk or communicate with your friends who is sitting beside you, then you can directly talk with him by using the voice signals. But if the same friend is a further way from you, you cannot directly communicate with him by using these voice signals, because sound signals cannot travel a larger distance. So, in order to overcome this problem and transmit information to larger distance, first we need to convert the sound signals into another form. That is, another form of signals is nothing but electrical or light signals, which travels a larger distance. The device which is used to convert these sound signals into another form of a signal is called a transducer. Next one, transmitter. The transmitter is a collection of electronic circuits designed to convert the information into a signal suitable for transmission over a given communication medium. Next one, communication channel. The communication channel is a wired or wireless medium that is used to send the signals from source to destination. Here source is nothing but a transmitter and destination is a receiver here. Next one, noise. Noise is an unwanted signal that enters the communication system. Next one, receiver. The receiver is a device that receives the signals or electrical signals from the channel and convert the signals back to its the original form, that is light and sound signals, which is understandable by the human at the destination stage. The best example of a receiver is a TV set. Next one, output transducer. The output transducer that is the present at the outside of the communication system is called a output transducer. Generally, the output transducer convert the electrical signals into a non-electrical signals. The best example of a output transducer is a loudspeaker. Next stage, destination. This destination is the final stage in the communication system. A destination is a place where humans consume the information. If you are watching a TV, you are considered as a destination. This is all about the entire communication system.